Ever pause to wonder where plants, these silent, stationary life forms, get their sustenance from, or how they quench their thirst? It's not as if they can pop over to the local grocery store or turn a tap on. It's a mystery that boggles the mind, doesn't it? Today, delve into the fascinating world of plants and uncover the secrets of how they feed and hydrate themselves. A journey that introduces us to the marvel that is photosynthesis and the intricate system of water transport in plants. Photosynthesis, a term that might take you back to your school biology class, is the process by which plants make their food. It's not a cooking class, but a complex chemical process that happens right inside the leaves. The primary ingredients? Carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide from the air, absorb water from the soil through their roots, and harness the energy from the sun. These ingredients converge in the chloroplasts, the tiny food factories in the leaf cells. Here, within these chloroplasts, a miracle unfolds. Sunlight splits the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen gets released back into the air, a process we should be immensely grateful for. The hydrogen, on the other hand, bonds with the carbon dioxide to form glucose, the plant's food. Voila, photosynthesis. But what about water? How does it travel from the roots buried in the ground to the highest leaf on the tallest tree? The answer lies in a process called transpiration. Imagine a series of pipes running from the root tips to the leaf tips. These aren't your average pipes, but minuscule tubes called xylem. Water enters the xylem in the roots, and through a combination of capillary action, root pressure, and transpiration pull, it ascends to the leaves. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from the plant's surface, primarily the leaves. As water vapor escapes the leaves, it creates a suction force, a pull that draws more water up from the roots. Think of it as a plant's version of sipping a drink through a straw. There you have it, a sneak peek into how plants satisfy their hunger and quench their thirst. To summarize, photosynthesis is the process where plants transform carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight into glucose, their food and oxygen, a byproduct that benefits all life on Earth. On the other hand, water transport occurs through a network of tiny tubes, the xylem, propelled by the forces of capillary action, root pressure, and transpiration pull. These processes, happening quietly and ceaselessly, enable plants to thrive and, in turn, sustain life on this planet. So, the next time you see a plant, remember it's not just sitting there. It's busy, cooking up a storm and sipping water, all while helping to keep us alive. Quite the multitasker, wouldn't you agree?